Elsewhere, the Lagos High Court sitting in lkeja has adjourned till April 15th to hear applications of counsel involved in the trial of a businessman, Cletus Ibeto, charged with an alleged 4.8 billion naira fraud alongside his company, Ibeto Energy Development Company. We have more in this report.
EFCC prosecutor Rotimi Jacobs, SAN, proceeded to address the court on the decision of the Lagos State government to take over the case without recourse to the anti-graft agency. But the Director of Public Prosecutions, Babajide Martins, responded that the state intervened after a request by the defendant. He added that after perusing the case file, the Office of the Attorney General of the state had written to the court applying that the charge be struck out for lacking both territorial and actual jurisdiction. Defense counsel Adeoshudi also informed the court of a notice of preliminary objection dated January the 26th, which hadn't been heard by the court. He added that another defense team headed by Wole Olanikwekun, SAN, was appealing against the bench warrant issued by the judge previously hearing the case in November 2023 against the defendant.
It doesn't need to be in court. The defendant, once you are challenging the jurisdiction of the court, they have filed a response. They cited the Supreme Court authority. Say, oh, okay, and that matter, we differentiated it. To say, look, the Supreme Court matter that you cited is that they raised this objection after the arraignment. And so the Supreme Court says, look, you know what? Since it was raised after arraignment, anything after arraignment should be determined after, at the end of the matter. But in this case, there's no arraignment. We have an objection to the jurisdiction of the court, and it should be heard and determined first, without the presence of the defendants. You see, we can't be on the media all the time to say, oh, this person has committed an offense, when, as a matter of fact, if the preliminary objection succeeds, then we are off the matter. You know, so the man is in the media, Ibeto TV is in the media all the time. According to the state says, look, there's no matter. So we are coming here today again, tomorrow again, on the 15th of April. And then we are still going to, the press is going to be around. They say Ibeto, FRN versus Ibeto. So it's not fair to the defendants.
Justice Ogala adjourned until April the 15th so as to study the case file and the various applications of all parties, and ordered that all counsel should file and exchange their responses before the next date. Kemi Folademo, TVC News, Lagos.